Hey guys, it is me. I had quite a few comments and requests on how to do my bangs. I thought that was really cute. I've had the same bangs for 25 years. Like I don't change my hair. Maybe I should, but I don't. Now normally I will blow dry my bangs when I get out of the shower and just leave this for about an hour and a half. I don't like my bangs flat on my face. So I have a cowlick right here and it starts to separate and then I end up with this. So I blow my bangs all directions. So first I get the lift and then I kind of take the lift down a little bit by doing this blow drying thing. Now, bangs will go like this and then they start kind of coming in towards the face and I really don't want the bowl look. So then what I do is I just take the round brush, I stick it in here, and I blow this direction just here. And I just pull it out. And just a few times. And I don't know if you can see how it pulls it off the face and over towards the side, but I still have this going around. See how this is coming in? Sometimes I kind of like it to come in here and then go out there because it gives kind of a different shape, but you can do it to this side too. And see how it kind of just pulled it away from my face? And there you go. And because of my cowlick that drives me crazy, I got this little cute thing at the Dry Bar in Sedona. It's called Money Maker. How cute is that? Anyway, it smells so good. I think you can go and just buy them. These are just the little travel ones. I don't think they were very expensive either. Probably the most amazing smelling hair I've ever had was here. Oh my goodness. Okay, so then I just kind of spray it, and one of the things I have found that works great is if you just spray the roots, pull it back down, then you can kind of separate it, and the roots stay where they were, so you don't have that separation during the day, which I don't like my hair to look like it's parted in the middle, which is what it ends up doing. So there you go. I think that is the trick to bangs. I don't think it's actually how they were always cut, because I've had a great cut look bad one day and good another day. So anyway, so that's my bangs. So this is how we cut my bangs. Look, it's gonna work great.
Okay, now I go under here. This Tiffany has crazy cowlicks, and I just kind of slice out some pieces.
That's the way I like it. Always keep it classic. Dazzle like a sapphire.
That's how you get these bangs that aren't totally flat, but aren't totally like a big old curly poof ball either. So anyway, and make sure that you always trim your bangs a little longer than you want them to be, because if you do this, it's gonna make them look shorter. So I made that mistake before, and I had the little Betty Page bangs. And although I love that look, it does not look good on me because I have a long face, I think. I don't know. But anyway, you guys have a great day, and I'll see you. Oh, this is so pretty. I'll see you on the next video. Bye.
Dazzle like a sapphire.